Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials: the original RC, a valid photo ID, current insurance, and pollution certificate. Once done, inspect the RC for the exact number to be corrected and note any typos. Next, complete the standard application form for RC update at your RTO or the online portal. Make sure to choose the correct amendment reason. You'll also prepare proof of address and, if applicable, a NOC from the financer. These documents speed verification and avoid repeat. You now submit the completed application with supporting documents, either in person or online. When entering the corrected RC number, type carefully. Errors here cause delays. Once submitted, pay the amendment fee and keep the payment receipt. This is your tracking reference. After payment, schedule or attend the vehicle inspection so the RTO can confirm identity and vehicle details. During inspection, cooperate and provide any additional papers requested so the officer can clear the update quickly. When your application is processed, you'll be notified to collect the updated RC or download the ERC. Check the RC number and other details immediately. If you spot an error, ask for correction within the same RTO channel to avoid repeat fees. If processing stalls beyond expected timelines, escalate using the payment receipt and application reference. Speak politely to the RTO clerk and request a status update. One key troubleshooting tip: if records mismatch, bring original documents and the inspector's notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.